This week, the President of Kenya assured that disbursement of all pending purchase will be done. So check your bank accounts, and for those who use SurePay, check your mobile Helb wallets. I'm going to show how to withdraw your Helb funds directly to your M-PESA. So you'll have to sign in your account using Helb mobile wallet, and make sure your mobile application is updated. You can see this is my account. I'm going to demonstrate on how you can withdraw your funds. So let me sign in. Then I'm going to enter my PIN. So you'll see these personal details. You will have to confirm, and then you'll proceed to the next page where you'll be shown your educational details. Then you'll have to confirm your details if they are correct. So you can see my wallet account now reads 00, but let me try to refresh so that we can see. Yeah, you can see the amount is 14,500. So depending on your location, your available balance will appear in the Upkeep wallet. As you can see, mine is 14,500, some are 16 and some are even 20. So you can see pay tuition, withdraw and pay loan. So you'll have to click on withdraw. Then you'll have to enter the amount you want to withdraw. For me, I'm going to withdraw everything, 14,500. Then I'm going to continue withdraw. So when you click on complete, you will receive a push notification which tells you that your transfer to M-PESA is being processed, and you will have to enter your M-PESA PIN. So I'm going to enter my M-PESA PIN the same way we did while borrowing Hustler Fund. So you confirm your PIN, you enter your PIN, 4-digit PIN, then you proceed. And as you can see, this is my M-PESA. I have already received the funds from Help Students Disbursement that. So thanks for watching. That's how simple it is. Make sure to like this video and even share to your friends so that they can be helped on how to withdraw funds in their mobile applications. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.